Yeah, hello, welcome again. All right, so we will be looking at another tool for information gathering, which is the DMITRY. This is an efficient tool. It is already pre-installed in your Kali machine, but in a case where you don't have it, you can simply install it if you want. So let's change to super user. So in a case where you want to confirm if you have it or not, you just simply have to say apt install DMITRY. You click enter. This tool is already installed in our Kali box. So let's quickly look at the commands DMITRY and let's see what we have. Okay, this is the usage. These are the simple usage and their function. Minus O stands for what? Save output to so and so. Minus I stands for what? Perform a whois lookup on the IP address of a host. So you can read through and see the various usage, the commands and their meaning. So let's simply run DB3 for kali.org and let's see what we got. Okay, now you can see a lot of information was gathered here. Okay, host IP, this is the IP address of the domain. This is the whois lookup. These are the informations, the remarks, address. Okay, you can see a whole lot of it, phone numbers and all that. This is the whois lookup record for kali.org under DMITRY. You can see enough information was gathered here. So let's look at it again. DMITRY. And let's look at some other option. Okay, E for email, S for search for possible domain, and so on. N for retrieve netcraft.com information on the host. So you can see how effective it is. So let's say for instance, let's take S. So let's perform a search for possible domain. So all you have to do is DMITRY minus S. We say kali.org. Let's look at the okay. You see gathered subdomain information for Kali. Let's look if there's any subdomain information for Kali. Okay, you can see these are the subdomains for kali.org. We have forum.kali.org. We have o.kali.org, archive.kali.org. Okay, these are the subdomains for Kali. Okay, let's say we want to gather information on email, which is minus E. You know what to do. It's simple. Just say DMITRY minus E kali.org. Let's see if there's any email that is linked to kali.org. Okay, actually we didn't get any results. Okay, let's try for facebook.com if we will see any email for facebook.com. All right, we found one. Feedback at Facebook. So a whole lot of it. Let's say DMITRY minus E google.com. Let's see if we can gather any information on the email for google.com. Okay, you can see these are the email that was extracted from google.com. So you see how effective it is. You don't have to stress yourself using DMITRY. Just say DMITRY, then you list that. It shows you the options, the usage and the options. Now you just read through what it stands for and you can use them. It is very easy to use. So run the general information gathering on a particular domain name using DMITRY, a general one. You just have to say DMITRY and you insert the domain name, let's say google.com. Alright, you see, it does all the job for you. But if you want to be more specific, that is when you start using the options like minus I, minus E, minus S, minus Q, minus O, a whole lot of it. Alright, otherwise, if you just say kali.org, it runs all these operations. Just say DMITRY on a particular domain, it runs all these operations in that domain that is provided. Also, quickly I will abort this. If you have time, you can do that in your private time. So that is all about DMITRY. It is pre-installed in your Kali box. But in the case where you don't have it, you just have to say apt install DMITRY. You can actually use this particular command to see if it is installed. It's already installed. You see 0 newly installed. That shows you already have it there. So if you want to see the option, you just type it out DMITRY. Now these are the options and their usage. So pick a particular one and use it to gather as much information as you want. Okay, that is all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.